Hey guys, Mike from Missouri. I want to apologize for not getting very many videos out on this project. It's really slowed down. I know a lot of you said just put them out when I can. I've had a lot of personal stuff going on the last couple months, but rest assured I'm still working on this, but a lot slower. Making this video just to give you an update on where we're at with it. I've not made a ton of progress since the last time I made a video, but I have made, at least not a ton of progress on the big picture of it. I've made some progress on some of the accessory valves that mount here, mainly with the hydraulics. But I got the primer coat, the first final coat on here, and part of the second top coat. I need to do kind of this part of it yet for the final top coat. But I'll take you around just to show you kind of what it looks like. So pretty much all of this is final with two coats of the orange or the yellow. The belly has all got two coats, and I stopped right at the seam. You can see did some sanding in between coats, and I stopped right here. So all the exterior towers and the inside of the towers all need painted still. I do have the underside. I got two coats on it, but not inside this kind of hitch channel area. What I need to do yet is get like I said, the rest of this painted. But then I need to do a final hone on the pins here, because I didn't get to that, but I didn't want to slop it all full of honing oil before I painted it. So I'm going to finish painting it and then kind of shove rags in there and do a final hone to fit the oversized pins the rest of the way. All the other pins were done, but I just didn't do the final hone on the lift cylinders here. Still got the twin pump sitting down here since I've pulled it out. Haven't done anything with it. That's going to be in a down the road future video, as well as the engine sitting since I pulled it out. All the hydraulic lines, which were previously replaced by the prior owners, all capped off and marked, still sitting exactly where I put them last time. I did take some of the auxiliary hydraulics. I had it shoved back up in the corner, laying against those ladders. I pulled it down, took the lines off, and I did a video on rebuilding those valves. I need to clean up these hard lines, and I think that line needs replaced, not because it's old, because it's got some pretty significant rubbing on it, and based on its location down under everything, it's not worth using. The parts shelf is the same as what it was. Still haven't gotten to the rear door, straightening it out. It's got some bends in the fins, and it's kind of tweaked on the hinge side here, so that's going to definitely take some work. The biggest area that I've made progress on is the valve hydraulic assemblies, which I got separate videos on. This is the loader control valve. It's completely built, ready to go, and I masked and painted it. And this is the accessory auxiliary hydraulic valve. Same with that, all new O-rings and everything. And I guess this is the check valve distribution block that bolts to the side of the machine. It's also been gone through and cleaned, and all new O-rings put on it. So really all I've done in the past couple months is just go through these, and I've not had a ton of time to work on this machine, like I said, due to some personal issues. This loader's like I rebuilt in the first few videos. It's just been sitting here this whole time. So for the most part, this stuff's just waiting for me to get back on it. It's pretty cold here in northwest Missouri. It's 56 degrees in the shop. I'm trying to get it up to 60 to put some more paint on this. But once I get this painted, I can get more serious about the next step. And I think about the time Christmas rolls around, maybe the week before or after, I should make some good progress on hopefully getting some of this valve mounted and the foot pedal stuff, getting it ready to go in. So it's slowly but surely, but it's looking pretty good overall. I'm real happy with how it's turning out. There's still a lot to do with this machine. There's many videos to come, but they may be spread out. I really haven't shown the cab much. It's not in terrible condition. It's had some prior work. These are new. I got some new rubbers for the lock handles here. It's not terribly beat up, but I definitely want to go through it like I have the rest of the machine, make sure everything's right on it. But this is going to probably be the last thing I do. The main priority here is to finish the painting on this, get those pins honed, and then start getting some of those hydraulic blocks and stuff mounted back to get it to the point where I'm ready to drop the engine in, and then we'll go through the engine next, I believe, because that's going to be the next thing that goes in, and then the twin pump comes after that. So all of that stuff I'm planning on doing separate videos on. They're going to be pretty detailed videos. However, they probably going to be fairly spaced apart because I'm not looking to rush any of this stuff. So please be patient. Unfortunately, YouTube doesn't like people who only post once every couple months. So my video views have gone down quite a bit, but you know, quality work's more important. But this is a short video just to let you all know that I'm still plugging away at this thing. It's just a heck of a lot slower than I was when I was getting up real early in the morning and knocking stuff out every morning. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the update, and please keep watching for future videos. I really appreciate it, and I'd love if you give me a thumbs up to keep me motivated to keep pushing on this project. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.